everyone, back again with me, Indriati Alia, in a holiday vlog with my best friend.
Hello guys, I am Fira. Hello guys, I am Dinda. Today we are going to explore the city of Batu, and the first place we are visit is Alun-Alun Batu. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go.
Wow, the air here is so cool.
Yeah, I'm actually feeling cool.
By the way guys, this time we are accompanied by Mr. Faisal as our tour guide.
Hi, I am Faisal as tour guide.
Whoa, this apple statue is huge.
This apple statue is meaningful. It represents the city of Batu, which is known as the Apple City because it produces unique kue, commonly known as apple malang.
How about we buy some snack? I saw many vendor in front.
Come on.
Let's go.
What's the popular food in here, sir?
The most popular food here is bakso tetelan, nasi bebek, es krim, and ketan.
Wow, it's very crowded here.
This place is truly a culinary paradise.
It's delicious. You are right.
Thank you, Mr. Faisal, for accompanying us around Alun-Alun Batu today.
You're welcome.
Since it's getting late, we are going home. Thanks to everyone who has followed today.